Nolan and Heap's report in 1978, titled Reliability-Centered Maintenance, led to the development of maintenance processes based on three key ideas: system functions, consequence of failure, and failure modes. In this video, we'll take a look at the first of the key questions of the RCM process: what is the function? All in just 2 minutes. The function defines the required performance, and it might include things like physical properties, operational performance, and time. It's not enough to only define the function of a pump to move water, for example. The function of the pump should include flow rate, discharge and suction pressure, efficiency, or something else that might be relevant. So here's a real-life example for how we can use this for a car water pump. The system is the car engine, and the engine generates heat as it runs. Coolant then circulates through the engine to remove this heat. So the function of the water pump is to pump coolant at a flow rate that ensures the engine stays below the desired temperature. Ideally, that flow rate should be defined. For example, a minimum of 95 litres per minute. In other words, the function would be to pump coolant at a minimum of 95 litres per minute. It's really important to determine all of the functions of an item or a system that are significant in the given operational context. They can be primary and support functions. By clearly defining the function's non-performance, the functional failure then becomes clearly defined, which just happens to be step 2 in the process. If you want to find out more about this next step in the RCM process or any of the others, please click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time.